Welcome to Dell EMC Networking What's New in Open Managed Network Manager 6.5. OMNM is a converged network management solution from Dell EMC that lets you monitor, manage, and configure your converged data center all from a single pane of glass. That includes switches, routers, storage, servers, physical and virtual networking. With OMNM 6.5, we've transformed the application with broad and dramatic ease of use improvements. We've improved installation, onboarding, navigation, and so on. We've done integration with key Dell EMC networking and service offerings, and we've improved the licensing to better enable you to grow and scale without costly upfront purchases. For licensing and installation, we've streamlined the installation. We allow you to simply pick the number of managed devices that you want, and the system will automatically configure the appropriate settings to support that number of devices. We've improved our silent install, eliminated prerequisites, and improved conflict checking to make installation move much more smoothly. We've also added a new server status console that will allow you to understand the health of the overall OMNM environment. We've also added license stacking, which now allows you to incrementally increase the number of licenses. So instead of having to purchase additional licenses up front that you may not need initially, you could purchase just what you need and then grow as you grow. We've improved the onboarding of OMNM to get you up and running much more quickly. We've improved the onboarding process to enable you to get Open Managed Network Manager up and running much more quickly. We've brought the 11 most common tasks together into a single portlet to enable you to rapidly go through these, get your system set up so you can move on to managing your network devices more quickly. We've also improved the GUI and navigation. We've completely overhauled the navigation, the dashboards, alarm event performance pages, and added a hierarchical view to a number of visualizations to enable you to more easily navigate to specific portions of your network or group based on types of network devices, enabling you to more rapidly manage and resolve issues that you may have. We've enabled integration with Dell EMC Support Assist. Support Assist is a service that enables select Dell EMC network switches to upload key data in the event of a problem and allows for service tickets to be created in the event of certain failures. Traditionally, you've had to enable this functionality on a switch-by-switch basis. With our integration with OMNM, it enables you to enable or disable and configure this feature all from the OMNM console without having to directly touch the individual switches. This will improve your ability to obtain support when there is a problem and facilitate parts replacement should there be a parts failure. We've also integrated with the Dell warranty system. So now OMNM will obtain the warranty information for your Dell devices, allow you to provide reports so you understand when your products are going to exit warranty and you can maintain that warranty and support status. And OMNM can also set up an alarm and alert you for devices that are approaching their end of warranty life to ensure that you don't accidentally run out of warranty should you need assistance. We've also integrated OMNM with Open Managed Essentials, Dell EMC's server management console. This allows you to synchronize the data from OME into OMNM, and you can poll OME for new alerts and then create actions based on those. And you can synchronize the device inventory so you're able to generate alerts and do reporting based on OME inventory as well. We've enhanced discovery so that once a device is discovered, OMNM can automatically configure the appropriate SNMP settings to enable you to manage that device, so you don't have to pre-configure the devices before they can be utilized by OMNM. This is very useful when you're setting up an environment where SNMP is not already configured, and you can also do this post-discovery for select devices where it may need to be configured. We've also made enhancements to events, alarms, and automation by adding root cause analysis and parent-child correlation. We monitor the database now, so we will provide an alarm should database capacity get low, and you're able to forward events and alarms to your local syslog server from OMNM. So you may have a consolidated syslog environment. We've also reorganized and simplified event preprocessing rules and allow those rules to have explicit member entities. So you can have a rule fire based on the properties of an entity instead of having to be for all devices of a particular type. This allows you to create your own filters and action parameters so that you can generate those events for the explicit members of that particular system. We've improved the traffic flow analysis capability from improving the GUI, allowing you to simply drill down to a device and bring up the traffic from that device either as an endpoint or as an exporter. And we've also added additional configuration options for dealing with high volume scenarios, such as increasing your caching tables or limiting how many flows per minute the traffic flow analysis will capture. And finally, we've added support for virtualization management for OpenStack, allowing you to discover and manage hypervisors and virtual machines and your virtual network links, as well as your resource capacity consumption and reservations. You're also able to manage virtualized network functions, such as function and service descriptors, and the entire function lifecycle for instantiation as well as scaling. So in summary, with OMNM 6.5, we've made significant ease of use improvements, license stacking, installation, onboarding, and a redesigned GUI. We've integrated OMNM with your data back at Dell EMC, such as warranty and support assist. We've integrated with Open Managed Essentials and the Network Optimized service. And we've created new and enhanced features. Events and alarms have been improved, traffic flow analysis, virtualization management with OpenStack, and of course, we've added to the thousands of devices that we already manage and have updated to support the latest browsers and operating systems. In closing, if you'd like more information about OMNM, please go to www.dell.com/OMNM.